Body definition. As the name suggests, the body of a human contains a backbone system and all muscles that allow a person to move and act. The nature of 𝗖𝗂𝗂𝗏 body is quite similar, which also contains two types of sentences. Unlike other literature, it only has ideas and factual evidences as two ways of support. The rest of comment or description are really optional. Besides modifying, these explanations do not carry functional scores, but more time to consume, for which you must balance the need and the priority. We reversely learn the 𝗖𝗂𝗂𝗏 body as the last part of sections after conclusion. This is not only for the benefits of previously mentioned, but also for you to see well the whole 𝗖𝗂𝗏 mechanism. Body takes 25% of the content, and the score functions as such. The first 25% of the 𝗖𝗂𝗏 content are topic sentences, for which ideas are inherited from thesis statement. The second 25% are for the examples that support their ideas in each paragraph. Slide here is a clear sum up for your understanding and a reference with a well-illustrated diagram which makes body into two categories. One belongs to the backbone parts as ideas. The other is the factual examples. The proof to validate these ideas. With them, it is like a dead body without muscles.